Alright guys, we're back at it again. Just joking, I don't have this much energy today. We just drove for like 8. We just drove for like 8 hours. But we're at Palo, Duro, our stop to getting to Colorado. We're hiking this trail. The sun's about to set, so we're doing a nighttime dusk hike. But wish us the best of luck. It's just me and my sister this time. It's gonna try to have fun, but yeah. So already winded, but you know, getting up there. A lot of rocks. This used to be like the ocean floor. So it's like the canyon looks super cool. When you're like looking for the trail marker, because you're really confused, and then you get to the next trail marker, and it tells you fucking nothing, because you're looking for the intersection, and you're like, no, this is still going one way. So you're like, fuck, hope I didn't fucking miss a turn. Gonna die. We're like halfway through a trail, and then you're kind of like, maybe I kind of gotta poop. But then you didn't pack any TP or a trowel, so you're just like, gonna have to hold it. Yeah. Hiking thoughts. You know the TikTok trend where it's like, therapy didn't work, and so I'm going back to the rocks.
Yeah.
The rocks help me. That's how I feel right now. Rocks. Nighttime hiking kind of different. It's kind of dusk right now, but like that's when all the supernatural stuff happens. So it's like extra spoopy. Spoopin'. Yeah, I can't see shit. It's great. But we're almost finished. Gonna get some food hopefully before I break my ankle. Good morning, you fellow hooligans. It is the morning and we are packing up and heading out soon. Gonna eat some food, get back on the road, get to the great sand dunes and get to Colorado, our fun destination. So yeah, excited for that. See y'all on the road soon. What is up? We're back at it again. Day 2 after 5 hours of driving. We're at the Great Sand Dunes and it is windy and cold and really hard to walk in this, but we're about to hike up that thing to get to our campsite, which is basically anywhere past that, so exciting. Welcome to our humble abode. It's sandy, cold, and through movie magic, we've gone here and set up the tent very quickly. I'm currently cooking this mac and cheese, but trying to avoid sand in it. You know, drinking a nice beverage. Got my lighter, you know. The sand's good at holding things, you know, it's being held. Living our best life, living our best life. Anne can't feel her fingers, she's struggling real hard, but we out here, you know? We good. Gucci. So I've been awake for hours because it's been super windy and there's just sand everywhere in the tent. You know, this steak on the rainfly's given up once, twice now. That one over there is given up once. We're balling. It's yeah, we're balling. It's cool. So we're gonna try to see the sunset. I mean, the sun's already kind of like peeking the horizon, but sunrise. But yeah, okay. See y'all out there. Don't camp here. Not a good time. So we made it back to the car. We're on the road again to Black Canyon. Almost got frostbite, but we chillin'. Checked the weather for the Great Sand Dunes. There's like high winds alert. So I'm like, oh, it's been really nice to know. Yeah, keep going. So we've made it to the next park. Most of it's closed, but still looking pretty cool. I mean, like, look at this view. So we couldn't go camping last night just because it was too cold. So actually we're in Ouray and we're just going on some day hikes right now. I mean, like, look at this gorgeousness. Well, hiking in packed snow is hard. It is difficult. Trying not to eat shit. Ready to eat shit though. Always ready to eat shit. Okay. So without the wind, it's actually like pretty pleasant. And the canyon, I mean, that waterfall is really cool. My sister sucks at walking in the snow and ice, and she's just like sucking, but you live, you learn. And after this, I'll probably just drive back to Austin slowly but surely in our many hour road trip. So fun and exciting. So this is kind of our last stop, and we're just checking out the ice park. There's a bunch of ice climbing here, as you can see. It looks really dope.